Hello my dear friends, welcome back to InfyGyan. Today in this video we are going to solve one very interesting and challenging question from algebra. If a and b are integers such that x square minus x minus 1 is a factor of ax power 17 plus bx power 16 plus 1. So let us say roots of this quadratic expression or equation, let us say u comma v. Then roots will satisfy degree 17 polynomial also. So let me write here x square minus x minus 1 equal to 0, and let's say roots are u and v. Then we can write u plus v equation, sum of roots, it is minus b over a. So we'll write minus of minus 1 over 1. So value will be plus 1. And using Vieta's, we will write product of roots also. This will be equal to c over a. So minus 1 over 1, value will be negative 1. So we have u plus v, u times v, both values are available for us. Now we are going to plug in x equal to u and x equal to v here, as they will satisfy our equation also. So let me write here ax power 17 plus bx power 16 plus 1 equal to 0. Now I will plug in x equal to u. So our equation becomes a u power 17 plus b u power 16 plus 1 equal to 0. And second equation we are going to get by plugging x equal to v. So I will write a v power 17 plus b v power 16 plus 1 equal to 0. Now our target is to find out a. So I need to eliminate b term. So I will multiply our first equation by v power 16, and second equation we are going to multiply by u power 16. Let's multiply. I will write here a u power 17 times v power 16 plus b u power 16 times v power 16 plus v power 16 equal to 0. And we'll write our second equation a u power 16 v power 17 plus b u power 16 v power 16 plus u power 16 equal to 0. Now we have to subtract second equation from first one. So our middle term would be eliminated. So let's subtract second equation from first one. So this term will be cancelled out. We are going to get a in the bracket u power 17 v power 16 minus u power 16 v power 17 plus v power 16 minus u power 16 equal to 0. Now we are going to take these two terms to the RHS. So in RHS we are going to write u power 16 minus v power 16. And from this bracket we will take u power 16 v power 16 common out. So in the bracket there will be u minus v. Let me write here a times u power 16 v power 16 in bracket u minus v will be there equal to, in RHS we will write u power 16 minus v power 16. Now we will write a times u power 16 times v power 16. We can write uv whole power 16, as we know the value of uv, minus 1. In the bracket, we are going to write u minus v equal to u power 16 minus v power 16. Now u times v is minus 1. So we will write a times minus 1 whole power 16 times u minus v equal to u power 16 minus v power 16. So here this will be 1. Now I can divide both sides by u minus v. Let's divide u minus v, as u cannot be equal to v from the quadratic equation. Now we can cancel u minus v from the LHS. We are going to get a only, which is required as per problem. A will be equal to u power 16 minus v power 16 over u minus v. Now we are going to use difference of two squares identity. Let me write here a square minus b square equal to a plus b times a minus b. Let us use this identity here in the numerator. So I can write numerator as a equal to u power 16. We will write u power 8 whole square minus v power 8 whole square. This is u power 16 minus v power 16. Denominator is u minus v. Now we will apply formula. We will get u power 8 plus v power 8. A plus b is over times a minus b. So we will write u power 8 minus v power 8 over u minus v. We will write here u power 8 plus v power 8. Then we will apply difference of two squares formula once again by writing u power 8 as u power 4 whole square minus v power 8, we can write v power 4 whole square, and denominator is u minus v. Now we will write u power 8 plus v power 8 times, we'll apply difference of two squares here and write u power 4 plus v power 4, and in other bracket we will write u power 4 minus v power 4 over u minus v. Again we can apply difference of two squares formula here. So we can write u power 8 plus v power 8 times u power 4 plus v power 4 times u square plus v square times u square minus v square, which we can write u plus v times u minus v overall, and denominator is u minus v. Now we can cancel u minus v from numerator and denominator. So the value of a would be, let me write here itself, u power 8 plus v power 8 times u power 4 plus v power 4 times u square plus v square times u plus v. Now we have to find out all the four values, but u plus v is known. Let me write here u plus v. This was 1, and u times v, this was negative 1. I will consider squaring both sides here. For the first equation, I will put power 2 part 2. Let's apply a plus b whole square formula in LHS. We will get u square plus v square plus 2 times uv equal to 1 square is 1. Now u times v is negative 1. So we will write u square plus v square minus 2. uv is negative 1. 2 times negative 1 is minus 2 equal to 1. Now we will add 2 to both sides to get the value of u square plus v square. We will get value 3. Now we have to calculate u power 4 plus v power 4 also. Again we will consider squaring both sides. So let me write whole square equal to 3 whole square. We'll apply a plus b whole square again. We'll get u power 4 plus v power 4 plus 2 times uv whole square or 2 times u square v square. So we can write here 2 uv whole square equal to 9. Now uv is minus 1. So minus 1 square is plus 1. In next step we can write u power 4 plus v power 4 plus 2 equal to 9. uv is minus 1 square is plus 1. 2 times plus 1 is 2. Now we are going to subtract 2 from both the sides to get the value of u power 4 plus v power 4. So value will be equal to 9 minus 2, 7. So this is also required for our expression A. Now we will consider squaring once again. We are going to get u power 8 plus v power 8 plus 2 times u power 4, v power 4. I will write uv whole power 4. RHS would be 7 square, so 49. So I can write here uv is minus 1 square is or power 4 is plus 1. 2 times plus 1 is 2. We are going to get u power 8 plus v power 8 value 47. Now we can calculate a value easily. Let me write here. A will be equal to. Let me write our expression first. The value of A in terms of u and v, u power 8 plus v power 8 in first bracket times u power 4 plus v power 4 times u square plus v square times u plus v. Now we have all the values here. U power 8 plus v power 8, 47 times u power 4 plus v power 4, 7 times u square plus v square, 3 times u plus v is 1, 1. So we have to multiply all the numbers. We are going to get 47 times 7 is 329 times 3 times 1 is 3. So 329 times 3, we are going to get 987. So our final answer, the value of integer A is 987. I hope friends you will like this video. Thank you so very much for watching. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye till next video. Good luck. Take care. Bye bye.